Paleo Diet Food List. Part 1. The Paleo diet isn't just a diet, it's a lifestyle. It's a fantastic way to reset your body to a more natural pace and enjoy a healthier existence living the way you were meant to. Your distant ancestors ate healthy foods and got a lot of exercises, but also observed a path of moderation. As a result, they were fit enough to survive in pretty tough circumstances. What you can eat on the Paleo diet. As a general rule, you can eat vegetables, fruits, eggs, meats, seafood, and nuts. This covers pretty much every food group, except for grains and junk food. So you're not really restricted a lot in your Paleo diet menu choices. Leafy, colorful vegetables are some of the very best, like spinach, watercress, and broccoli. Other great veggies include avocados, onions, cauliflower, zucchini, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, endives, and more. You can also eat pretty much anything as far as fruit goes, but berries are among the most recommended fruits because of their high antioxidant content and their low glycemic index. Tropical fruits have a higher glycemic index, so those probably shouldn't top your daily menu. Again though, these are simply recommendations for the caveman diet food list. You can eat whatever fruits and vegetables you want. Paleo diet food list. Meats. As far as meats go, you can eat either lean or non-lean meat. This isn't a non-fat or low-fat diet. Some fats are good fats, and can actually have positive effects on your health. Some good plant-based sources of natural fats include avocados, olives, and coconuts. Turkey and chicken are particularly suggested on the Paleolithic food list. Likewise, dairy is also fine, though in a state of perpetual uncertainty, where many nutritionists are concerned, and it's a matter of personal choice what you want to do about the consistency of the milk you drink. Other foods you can eat include nuts and seeds. Walnuts, almonds, macadamia nuts, and pecans all provide excellent nutrition. Take note that peanuts aren't actually nuts, but legumes.